Apostle Waruinge, the lead minister at the Synagogue CFC, welcomes you to our special Kesha service on 15th September 2023 from 8 p.m. We are located at Plazza, Mezzanine floor, the first floor, opposite Easy Coach bus stop, Nairobi.
Whatever that you have, no matter how big or little it is, don't worry about it. Well, what you need to tell God, you are the one that gave me this. The clothes I'm wearing, I did not see it, you gave it to me.
We will worship, praise, and feast in God's word, which will be ministered by Apostle Waruinge. The service will be live on Inoro TV and on YouTube at Bethel Clouds TV. You can't miss this one. For more information, call 0748 290000 or 011 293505. All are welcome.